and I'm catching feelings, baby.
Hey y'all, it's me, Trinity Shawnee's, back again with another video. Another video. Hey y'all, I know my hair look a mess. Don't pay me no mind. I'm in the house, so it don't matter. But today I'm coming to you with a video about side hustles you can do while you're at home. You know, be at home, you trying to make some money. You just trying to do something. So today I will be introducing you all to two things that I am doing today while I'm at home to make money. So if you are interested in making money, budgeting, lifestyle, and all that, please subscribe to my channel. Anyways, let's get right into this video. Okay, y'all, so I went through my closet and I'm going to be listing some of these items on Poshmark and Mercari. This is a Lucky Label hoodie dress that I've been keeping because I'm a hoarder. I be thinking I'm gonna wear stuff again, but guess what? I never do. So yeah, that's this. And it has pockets, and I'm gonna list this. I also have this outfit that I wore on my birthday that I'm gonna list. I really like this outfit, but it's kind of big on me, especially like right here. And I'm losing weight right now, so it's gonna be even bigger. And it's so cute. So I'm listing this as well. And I got these, what is it? Stat pants that I'm listing for the low. And I have this jean jacket that I'm also listing. And I have this that I'm also listing, this jean bralette. So let's get the listing. So this is my camera station where I'm going to take my pictures of the products. So I'm going to take the pictures of the products and then I'm going to show y'all how I upload them. I take the pictures off this phone, but I upload them on the other phone that I have. And the other stuff is right here, just ready for it to be next or whatever. So we're going to take these pictures of the products and we're going to list them. And we're going to move to the next side hustle. Next item I will be selling is this jean bralette, and it look real cute on this fur. So yeah, we're about to take some pictures and then we're gonna list it to Poshmark and Mercari, period. So that's one side hustle I did today. So another side hustle that I did today was called Slice the Pie. Slice the Pie. So if you at home and you don't have nothing to do, you don't have work today, you know, you can do Slice the Pie. And basically you review music. So they'll play the music for you and you review the music. And this is how many reviews I did today. And my affiliate link will be in the description box. So if you would like to sign up. So I'm going to do one with y'all. I'm going to stop it because I can't play this music long on YouTube. I got to review some songs like this.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love.
If you're wondering why I had to review the song like this, they will flag you if you don't. So this is my review. Yes, I'm lying. Click next, rate the song. I'm gonna give it a 6. And then they send you some spare change. It does not always be 0.04. Most of the time it's 0.14 cents. Normally you get 14 cents per review and it only takes about a minute. So you add it up. And then at the end of your review, they say thanks for the review. They let you know the song and then they give you a little change. And then they send you the next song. And another review for that lame song. Anyways, yeah, I think that's about it for today because I had did some earlier. If I do any more, I will come back and record. I probably drag this video till tomorrow. So yes, I usually do not get up here with my hair like this, but man, I think I'm the only girl who don't know how to do her real hair. And when I do, hey y'all, so I'm here to check back in with you guys, and in this video off, we're gonna go ahead and click on Mercari. And as you can see, I sold an item. These are my Mercari sneakers that I brought a while ago, and I posted them originally for $75, but I wanted them to sell fast, so I offered a sale, which was $66. And as you can see, she purchased it, and Mercari take a $6.60 selling fee and a $2.21 processing fee. So I made $57.19 off these shoes. I paid $100 for them, and I got $57 for selling them. I think that's pretty decent. So if you would like to sell your stuff and get some extra money, you should definitely check out the Mercari app. They have real shoppers. I'm talking about real shoppers, but yeah, they don't take as slow as Poshmark. I feel like Poshmark takes a long time. I don't really like Poshmark. I haven't sold anything up there, but Mercari, I sold a couple things. So this has been my side hustle for a long time. See, Mercari has been my side hustle since I was in high school. And this is all the items I sold with them. And some of this stuff, I can't even believe I sold it, you know? Like, somebody even brought it. But how do I see how much? But yeah, these are my reviews. I'm trying to see how much I sold in a lifetime. See you next lifetime. This is how much I sold since I've been on Mercari. So how much I made from the items I sold. So this is a good little side hustle. It's not, you know, the get rich quick scheme, but it's some income. So y'all should check out the link in my description box if you would like to sign up for Mercari and earn some money from signing up under me.